Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving to Crossroads. We're driving from Halfway Tree to Crossroads. Today is a overcast day. They've actually put up a very nice sign by 58 Halfway Tree. That is like a tech park over there. They have it's owned by Stanley Motors, and it's a part of the Muslim group, so they have a few offices over there, but 85% of the facility is a tech park that's operated as a call center. And they're actually building a 10-floor building over there that has 86,000 square feet of rental space. You can check out the channel for that video and other videos of over there. Now at this intersection, straight ahead, turn left, we go on to Oxford Road, go straight, we go down to Crossroads. And coming up on the right is the Cable and Wireless office, but that was the TOJ, Telephone Company of Jamaica's office back in the day. And then Cable and Wireless took it over, and then now it's Flow. So Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. The busiest place in Jamaica. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through Halfway Tree. So any route to or from Halfway Tree is going to be busy. So Crossroads now is actually in the center of Kingston. Geographically in the center of Kingston. So the route from Halfway Tree to Crossroads is very popular. It's a very busy thoroughfare, and we are on Halfway Tree Road heading towards Crossroads. Now, Crossroads got its name because that is where major roads intersect. We are on Halfway Tree Road. You have Hope Road, and then you have, Old Hope Road. You have Caledonia, and you have Slipe Road, and they all intersect at Crossroads. That's why it got the name Crossroads. It's also a very busy place because between Halfway Tree and downtown Kingston, and Halfway Tree is the busiest place in all of Jamaica actually, but in Kingston, and downtown is one of the busiest places. So to go from Halfway Tree to downtown, you usually go through Crossroads. We just passed Beechwood Avenue on the right. And FedEx and DHL are on the left. On the right is Rainforest Seafood. Over here used to be BML. I don't know if they're still over there. Business Management Limited. But this entire road it's very built up, very busy. Now over here is the head office for Tasty Patties, and I think they are the largest patty supplier in Jamaica. You also have Juicy Patties, Tasty's I think is bigger. On the left is the Captain's Bakery, and on the right now you're going to see the Total gas station and then KFC. And without any question, KFC is the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica. Now look over here. You're going to see the water backed up on the road, and that's because the drain, there's a drain right there. It seems to be blocked or clogged, or there's another one there, and you see it's working fine, and so the water runs through. So this intersection we're coming up to now is Retirement Road. Very popular road in Crossroads. So this is Retirement Road now on the right. This is the Crossroads Market on the right now. So we turn left here, we're going to Old Hope Road and can go on to Caledonia Road. Turn right, we go on to Slipe Road. So if we turn left, we would head up to the Ligony area or back to Oxford Road, but we're turning right, went on to Slipe Road and headed towards downtown Kingston. Now on the right is the iconic Carib Theatre. That theatre has been around for many years. Very iconic building in Cross Roads. Turn right there, and that's the road you take to go down to the hospital, KPH. We're now on Orange Street. Heading towards downtown Kingston. So we just turned on to King Street and we're heading up to National Hero Circle. So this is now National Heroes Circle. On the right is National Heroes Park, and that's where they're going to be putting up the new government building. On the left is Woolmer's Boys School, the oldest and most prestigious school, or one of the most prestigious schools in Jamaica. But it's definitely the oldest school. Now, where you see the fence change color, this is now Woolmer's Girls School. The boys' school and the girls' school are two separate institutions, and Woolmer's Girls School is the school that Shelley and Fraser Price went to. So on the right is where they're going to build a new Parliament building. On the left is the Ministry of Finance. Straight ahead where you see that yellow and blue building, that is the Ministry of Education. And then over here on the left now is the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. That building straight ahead is the Ministry of Education. So we're now going on to North Street. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.